guys. Just wanted to show you guys my drill press here. It's Canadian Buffalo 15. It's one of the models before they had safety guards on the belt. I believe it's the original motor. I've obviously rewired it. I haven't done too much to it other than just getting rid of normal rust and stuff. It's been great. There's 5 different speeds. I just changed them by hand. You don't have to unbolt anything to change the speeds. It has the full 4 inches of travel here. I also have a nice, I wouldn't say nice, but a useful device that I picked up. Goes to about 3.5 to 4 inches. I do have a swivel base for it somewhere, but I rarely use it. But it's, these things are, you have to have one if you have a drill press. If you don't, I highly recommend it. I'll bring you in here for a little closer look at some other stuff here. So this is pretty much the business end of things here. It's pretty much your normal drill press. It's very sturdy. This unit alone, I would guess without the motor is probably close to 130, 140 pounds. Probably another 20 pounds for the motor. Let's see, that's Canadian. These were made in Kitchener, Ontario by Canadian Blower and Forge. I believe this is the smallest model. Don't quote me on that. They had a Canadian number 15, a number 18, a number 21. Not sure if I've seen 22 or not. I'm not by means of any expert on these drill presses. I do like this. They have your collar lock here. Lock the main body here. The table here, it does have a positive stop underneath, a pin in there, and a bolt, so you can tilt the table up and down. But to get it back to 90, there's a pretty precise pin fit underneath there. It's loose in there now. I maybe pull it. I don't bother pulling it out, but yeah, it's very sturdy. I'll back up my camera here and maybe I can show you what I have for a stand. I built this out of mostly scraps that are lying around. You can see the bottom drawer is open a little crack right now because I actually just painted it today. It's still wet. But the stand has 5-inch casters on it. Very heavy duty. The whole unit is probably close to 200 pounds. But it's a breeze to move around on the casters, so that's one thing I like about it. You'll notice everything's pretty much on casters, well, except for that thing, obviously, but the other bandsaw there. The other bandsaw's on a frame there that you jack up, and there's a cam that moves the caster up and you can move it around. That's the Buffalo drill press. I won't get rid of it. It's the 3rd one I've had. I restored one, and then I bought one like this to restore, and this 3rd one here I picked up just for parts, and it ended up being brand new pretty much. There's not a hole wrong with the table. Still got the original label up there, Canadian Buffalo, Kitchener, Ontario. This is Canadian Blower and Forge Co. Limited. So, yeah, that's about it. I built this, I wouldn't say built, I cut this piece of, it's 1/4-inch aluminum plate here, just between the motor and the mount for the motor. So I have an extension somewhere to mount the plug. I forget, I think it's a 1/2 horsepower motor on it right now. That's just a standard 110 volt. And there's not too much more to it. I'll show you some not too bad organization. Oops. Kind of keep some random stuff in here. And bed kits, all kinds of stuff. This should really normally be over here somewhere. It's normally hanging out around here. Bunch more drill bits. Inserts from the drill press. I have a table for it, a wood table. I'll show that one time too. It's a lot better ones made on YouTube. But mine works. That's all I care about. Anyways, that's that, and I hope you liked the video. Any other questions, just post them in the comments. This is really my first actual video that I'm making for YouTube. I'm filming with a pretty crappy, I guess it's an iPod, iPod. I don't have any video editing software yet. I believe YouTube does allow some type of editing, but I haven't looked at it yet. And yeah, that's it. Cheers, guys.